Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to interpret the Poincare plot OriginPro software. So how to create or diagram the Poincare plot in OriginPro software. The video already uploaded for our channel. So kindly check for the OriginPro playlist. Then now for the video how to interpret for the Poincare plot. So this is for the Poincare plot. Okay, the Poincare plot is a graphical tool used for analyzing the dynamics of the data, time series data, commonly used in the physiological research to assess the heart variability rate. So the next Poincare plot axis and the data point. So the first of all for the axis is for the time I. The references for the current time point value for the time I in x-axis. So the next one for the y-axis. So the y-axis for the time I plus 1. The next time point value in the y-axis. So the next of all for the green dot. So this is a green dot. Those are the individual data points each representing a pair of consecutive time point. The time I plus 1. So the next for the Poincare plots line, this is for the line red and black lines. The first of all for the red lines. So this is for 45-degree lines. This line representing the line of identity where the time I plus 1 equals the time I. The points close to the this line indicated the consecutive value that are similar. So the next one line for the black line, this is for the black line, those represented to the major standard deviation 2. So this is for the standard deviation 2 and the minor standard deviation 1. Axes of the Poincare plot which are orthogonical to each other and derived from the principal components of the point cloud. So the next one for the statistical measurements of the Poincare plot. So the first of all for the statistical measurement the standard deviation 1. So this is measure the description of the point perpendicular to the line of identity and represent short time variability. So the standard deviation 1 is a short time variability. In this plot the standard deviation 1 is 0. So the standard deviation value 1 is equal to 0. They indicate no short time variability in the Poincare plots. All the points that lie exactly on a straight line the parallel to the identity line, showing the perfect correlations between the consecutive time points. So the next one for the standard deviation 2. So this is for the standard deviation 2. So this measures the descriptions of points along the line of identity and represent the long time variability in standard deviation 2. In this planned standard deviation 2 is 3.873, indicating a degree of long time variability along the identity lines. So the next one for the interpretation of the Poincare plots, the shape and distribution of the points. The points from a linear patterns identifying a strong linear relationship between the consecutive time points. This suggests highly the regular or predictable data. So the next one for the short time variability in standard deviation 1. The standard deviation 1 is a 0 value, which means there is a no short time variability in the data. The data point the line exactly along a line parallel to the identity line, showing that the each time point is a perfect linear functions of its predictors. So the next one for the long time variability in standard deviation 2. So the standard deviation 2 is a value 3.873, the indicating the exit of the parallel along to the identity line. The suggest some degree of long time variability in the time series data. So the next one for the implication of the Poincare plots in this physiological context such as a heart variability rate analysis, and standard deviation 1 of 0 would suggest no short time variability which must indicated a very regular and possibility abnormal conditions. So the next one for the presence of the long time variability in standard deviation 2 suggest that will the time series value are highly regular in the short time. There is some variability which considered over longer period. So the next one for the conclusion in the Poincare plots. These Poincare plots provide the domesticated highly regular and predictable data which no short time variability but some degree of the long time variability. This can be indicative of a very controlled or passible pathological systems where the time points follow a straight line progressing without short time fluctuations. Understanding those the dynamics in is circular for the application in physiological and other field where the time series data is analyzed. For creating and interpreting similar point in OriginPro, ensure your data is appropriately processed and pre-processed and used the software's advanced plotting and statistical analysis capability to derive meaningful insight from your data series time. Okay, this is for the interpretation and the conclusion for the Poincare plot in OriginPro software. So the before the first I upload for the how to create a Poincare plot and continuous video for the how to interpret the Poincare plot in OriginPro software. If you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box, and how to create the Poincare plot, the video link mentioned to the for the description box. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like the channel, click to the subscription button and support me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.